Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix only one earbud is working on your headphone, the House of Marley Redemption. Firstly, try to put your headphones to the charging case, close the case and open it again. If it didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, just press and hold button at the back at least 8 seconds until you can see that LED light it start flashing purple. So I'm just press and hold. I see a purple, so now I can close the case. Click on the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget this device, forget device. Now open the case and click on your headphones to add them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!